Hello! Today we're going to be talking about how to check and replace the zinc on an AquatiClear build. First thing we're going to need is to take the prop off. By doing so, you're going to need to take a crescent wrench or a 3/4 inch socket. And you're going to need to take the top bolt off the build and off the top of the prop. There's a washer that goes with it. Just simply lift up, set that to the side. Next, you're going to need a 7/16 socket. And you're going to need to remove the VX clips that mount and hold the AquatiClear cage or guard to the can. Simply lift the guard up and off the unit. That will expose your zinc. Our zinc right here is in great condition, so there's no need to replace it. But out in the field, you may see some instances in some units where the zinc is in rough shape, where it shows deterioration, there's bolts missing, in which case you will need to replace it. So when replacing it, make sure to use a 9/64 Allen wrench. Otherwise, we're ready to rebuild. Simply take the guard, line it up, covering the cord and cord nuts. You now are going to go and bring your VX clips with your serrated flange nuts back on and tighten all 3 of those down. There is a special sequence in which we are going to tighten those. So the sequence that you want to tighten the VX clips around the unit would be start with the flange that's opposite of your cord cover first. And then work counterclockwise. The reason being is that it pulls the guard the correct way where there will be no rubbing between the prop and the guard. Following and finally will be your prop that slips onto the prop stop and your washer and 1/2 20 nut. Tighten.